we will study about the criteria for similarity of triangles. We have already studied about congruency. You know that two figures are congruent if their corresponding sides are equal and their corresponding angles are equal. But we studied some criteria of congruency. We have already studied, like SSS, SAS, ASA, AAS, RHS. These were the criteria for congruency of triangles. Now we will study what are the criteria for the similarity of two triangles. In the introduction chapter, video 1, I have told you that two figures are similar, two polygons are similar if their corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. Now, today we will discuss about the criteria for the similarity of two triangles. What are the criteria for the similarity of two triangles? You know that two triangles are similar if their triangle is a polygon. So this condition apply for triangle also. Triangle के लिए भी वो condition apply कर सकता है, यानी two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. Or we can say that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be proportional and their corresponding angles will be equal. Corresponding we have studied in class 9 about congruency. The same concept in similarity also. Now let us discuss the different criteria for similarity of two triangles. The first criteria is A criteria. That is, in two triangles, if their corresponding angles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. So for example, let us take two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In such a way that angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R, then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See the symbol for similarity. This I have already explained to you. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and angle A corresponds to angle P. Angle B corresponds to angle Q. Angle B corresponds to angle Q. A to P, B to Q and C to R. Correspondence. That is very important. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle C is equal to angle R. Then their triangle will be similar, then their corresponding sides will be proportional. That is AB by same order you have to remember. Order. The order is very important. AB corresponds to PQ. So AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR will be equal to AC or CA you can write, no problem. BC you can write, CB also no problem. But first two sides. AB by PQ or QP. Yeah, BA by PQ. Order, no problem, but two corresponding sides. AB, first and second. Second and third, BC by QR. And first and third, yani AC by PR you write, RP you write, no problem. PR will be equal. If the corresponding angles are equal, then corresponding sides will be proportional. Proportional means the sides ratio will be equal. So we can say what is A similarity. In two triangles, if three angles correspondingly equal, then the two triangles are similar. Then triangles are similar means their corresponding sides will be proportional. Now we have already studied angle sum property in class 9. What is that? Sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if two angles are equal, suppose angle A equal to 60 degree, and angle P is also 60 degree. Angle B equal to 70 degree and angle Q is also 70 degree. Then definitely if the third angle is not given, definitely third angle automatically become equal, because we know that 60 plus 70 130, 60 plus 70 is 130, then this angle will become 50 degree and this also angle will become 50 degree. So if two angles are equal, then third angle automatically it will become equal. So we can say that two triangles are similar if their two angles are correspondingly equal. So we can write that as next criteria, that is AA similarity. That is, in order to prove two triangles are similar, it is enough that any two of the angles of the first triangle, पहला triangle का कोई भी दो angle दूसरा triangle का दो angle का बराबर है, equal है, आप अगर show कर सकते हैं, then triangles will be equal, triangles will be similar, and of course then definitely the third angles will be equal and the corresponding sides will be proportional. So that is the second condition, that is AA similarity. Now the third similarity is SSS similarity. SSS similarity. What is that? Side, side, side. That means angles are not mentioned there. Angles we do not know. We know only the measurement of sides. Say this is 5 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, and this is 4 centimeter. Suppose. And here, suppose this is half of this. That is, this is 2.5 centimeter, this is 1.5 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. Then we can say that these triangles are similar. That is, sides ratios, that is AB by PQ is what? 5 by 2.5. What is that? It is 2. Then BC by QR. What is that? 3 by 1.5. And AC by PR. What is that? That is 4 by 2. So 3 by 1.5, that is also 2 by 1. Yeah, 2. There is also 2. That is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. Means sides are proportional. Sides of one triangle are correspondingly proportional to the sides of the other triangle. Then we can write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, because AB by PQ, first and second, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. So all the three sides are proportional. That is, their ratio of two sides are equal. Ratio of two sides are equal. Then we can say that sides are proportional. Then triangles will be equal. Triangle ABC will be similar to triangle PQR. Definitely triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR लिखना और triangle QRP लिखना different बात है. Because we have to write that corresponding way में AB corresponds to PQ. So AB means first and second. Here it will become first and second become QR. AB by QR is not equal to BC by PR. So we cannot write like this. So just like congruency, similarity also, that order is very important. We have to write it in the same order. So if these two triangles are similar based on their sides, then definitely angle A will be equal to angle A will be equal to angle P, angle B will be equal to angle Q, and angle C will be equal to angle R. That is, corresponding angles will be equal. Now the third similarity condition is SAS similarity. SAS, what is that? Side, angle, side. That is two sides, SAS. SAS means two sides and included angle. यानी दो साइड के बीच वाला एंगल होना जरूरी है. Two sides are proportional and included angle are equal. Say let us take this is equal to 5 centimeter same, and this is equal to 6 centimeter, let us take, and this angle is 70 degree, and here it is 2.5 same, and this one is 3 centimeter, and this is 70 degree. Here you have to see whether the angle is between the sides. This is very important. The angle should be between the corresponding sides. 2.5 is half of 5. Yeah, 5 is double of 2.5. 6 is double of 3. Here also the ratio become double. कोई जरूरी नहीं है हमेशा डबल हो. It can be any ratio. Double or 2.5 times, yeah, 1.3 times. That ratio should be equal. That is all. By chance, when I wrote both of the cases, the sides are becoming double. It can be double, triple, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. कुछ भी हो सकता है. That ratio should be equal. AB by, here it is B. So AB by PQ. AB by PQ equal to 5 by 2.5, 2, and BC by QR also equal to what? 6 by 3 equal to 2, and angle B equal to angle Q. So two sides and included angle, two sides are proportional and included angle are equal, then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity. SAS similarity. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, and angle B, the side angle between AB and BC, the angle is B. PQ and QR, the angle is Q. In between the angle, the included angle are equal. Then we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and definitely angle A will be equal to angle P. Angle A will be equal to angle P. Angle C will be equal to angle R, and again AC by PR also will be what? Already I have written for the previous example. Here also AC by PR will be also equal to 2 होगा. AC by PR equal to 2 होगा. So these are the criteria for the similarity of two triangles. इसमें सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, सबसे ज्यादा यूज करने वाला सिमिलैरिटी कंडीशन है ये ए सिमिलैरिटी. सबसे आसान है. टू ट्रायंगल्स को सिमिलर प्रूव करने के लिए वी हैव टू ओनली शो दैट एनी टू ऑफ देयर एंगल्स आर इक्वल. इफ टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल, then third angle will become automatically equal. Then according to AAA similarity or AA similarity, if two angles are equal, then AA similarity. Using AA similarity, we can easily show that the triangles are similar. I think you understood the criteria for similarities. Once again, what are the similarity conditions? AAA or AA, two angles, that is enough. AA similarity, SSS similarity. SSS similarity means three sides of one triangle and three sides of another triangle. If you take their ratios will be equal. Then SAS similarity, what is that? Two angles and two sides and the angle between the two sides. बीच वाला angle होना बहुत जरूरी है. दोनों साइड जो दिया हुआ है उसके बीच वाला angle equal होना चाहिए, sides दोनों proportional होना चाहिए. Then the triangles will be similar. Okay.